Winter intensifies, cold wave warnings have been sounded across North India. Delhi, in fact, is set to experience a significant drop in temperatures this week, with the IMD predicting a minimum temperature of 5 degrees Celsius by Friday. While temperatures continue to drop in Delhi and NCR, the AQI had been hovering between the poor and very poor category in the past week. But let's also tell you what's happening in Srinagar, because heavy snowfall has provided some relief. However, colder conditions continue in the higher regions, and the cold spell is expected to last until January 10th. Kritika Tiwari once again joins me this morning to keep us ahead with what's essentially panning out in the north. Kritika, very good morning to you. In fact, slightly chilly morning this Wednesday, but having said that, given the conditions that we're looking at, and in your particular frame, in fact, I can look at a little bit of fog. Now, that's also the kind of weather that we've been looking on and off. There's dense fog one day and then there's intense fog the other. There will be factors behind this, and at the same point of time, not the entire north section, we're just not talking about Delhi NCR in specific, is battling the cold wave. But the bigger question is there respite? And even if we look at that, will that be for a prolonged period or just a couple of days, Kritika?
Right, Nivedna. In fact, for the entire northwestern region in specific, temperatures are expected to now drop by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in the next coming 2 to 3 days. After which only will it stabilize a little bit and there will be a gradual rise. But till then, we're also learning that a moderate to dense fog alert has also been issued for the city of Delhi. And currently, as we report from the flyover near Akshardham, you'll be able to see on your screens, requesting our camera person to pan towards the temple, how this morning again the fog has intensified from what we had been reporting yesterday. So on your screens you'll be able to see how the high rises behind the temple structure are completely enveloped in a layer of fog. In fact, at some places traffic snarls are also being expected, and as far as the Delhi airport is concerned, Cat 3A operations are underway, which means that only flights that are compliant with this mode of takeoff and landing can right now continue its operations, and other flights are likely to be expected. So we will be noting that there might be more delays in trains as well, as rail transport also tends to be affected with the fog conditions. Now an orange alert is already in place in Delhi, and it will stay that way till the 9th of, in fact, January, which is tomorrow, and post that even light showers are expected and heavy snowfall is also expected in the western Himalayan region. So Himachal Pradesh as well as regions in Jammu and Kashmir will be experiencing snowfall as well, and that is why the temperature is also likely to dip. Now in Delhi, on a whole, the minimum temperature is around the 10 degrees Celsius mark, but the maximum temperature appears to be dipping, and that is why at a few places in Delhi, like the Pusa station and Ayanagar station, cold day conditions are also being witnessed. So definitely yesterday as well, we had seen that there was barely any permeating sunlight, which was also causing chilly conditions throughout the day and low daytime temperatures. It is expected that while the sun is out and bright this early morning, it can again be shrouded in a blanket of clouds, and then fog and mist conditions are likely to continue through the day, which will again result in chilly temperatures. But remember, a cold wave is something that last year also was witnessed in the national capital around the 14th of January. That is when the temperatures, the minimum temperatures in fact, had dipped quite low. It was in the range of 3 degrees Celsius. So far, we haven't received a similar update from the IMD, but we will be looking out to it. In the coming days as well, we'll be seeing the minimum temperatures again go back to 6 degrees Celsius as an average for the capital. For context, currently the average for the capital, the minimum temperature, is in the range of 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. So definitely the 4 degree sharp dip in the mercury is going to make, in fact, the environment quite chilly for the residents. Now, it's not just Delhi NCR, which is reeling with cold day conditions, as you were saying. Cold days also expected at a couple of districts in Uttar Pradesh as well as in areas of Punjab, Chandigarh and Haryana. Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir will also be experiencing a gradual dip in temperatures. In fact, further down, even in Maharashtra in the coming days, we'll be seeing that the temperatures will be dipping by another 2 to 3 degrees. Over to you, Nivedna.